Hey guys, so today we are going to be looking at the aim. How did the Nile unite Upper and Lower Egypt? What is the aim for today? We're going to start off by looking at some vocabulary words. The first is cataracts. Cataracts are river rapids. That's like stones or bumps in the river where the water gets really crazy and they're really dangerous to go over in boats. So, is it safe to take a boat through the cataracts? Yes or no? Remember, cataracts are big stones sticking out through the water, making it go crazy. Is it safe to take a boat over those? So, a delta is a triangle shaped area of land where a river meets the sea, made up of soil deposits. So, it's a place where a river meets the ocean and dumps a lot of good dirt there. That's good for farming. And a dynasty is a series of rulers from the same family. So if your dad was a king and your dad's dad was a king and you're a king and your son is going to be a king, then you are part of a dynasty. So as we saw, ancient Egypt was a kingdom along the Nile River in northern Africa. What river was ancient Egypt located along? In the beginning, ancient Egypt was divided into two kingdoms. Upper Egypt, which you can see here, was bigger but did not have the river delta, the place where the river met the ocean and all the good farmland was, that Lower Egypt had. So, like we said, Lower Egypt had the rich delta where the Nile River enters the sea. And Upper Egypt was the land along the Nile from the city of Memphis here to the cataracts, the rapids that people couldn't go over in boats in the south. And very quickly, I want you to pay attention to these two little symbols. This is the crown of Lower Egypt and the crown of Upper Egypt. So the crown of Lower Egypt is red and shaped kind of like a chair with a weird thing coming off the front. And the crown of Upper Egypt is white and shaped a little bit like a bowling pin. So in the beginning, Egypt was divided into how many kingdoms? So about 5,100 years ago, Menos, the king of Upper Egypt, invaded Lower Egypt. So this king here, you can see Menos, and you can see he's wearing that bowling pin shaped crown that shows us he's the king of Upper Egypt, invaded Lower Egypt. Now, after Menos invaded and took over Lower Egypt, he united the two crowns. He put the crown of Upper Egypt, where he came from, together with the crown of Lower Egypt, and that is the crown that all pharaohs, all kings would wear after him. So, how does this double crown symbolize a united Egypt? How does this double crown show Menos, the king of Upper Egypt, bringing Lower and Upper Egypt together? All right, guys, that's it for this lesson. Have a good day.